Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to looking for a new microphone. Check out the Yeti GX. It's a dynamic USB mic designed for games and creators. As you can see, the setup is very simple. Just connect the cable and you are ready to go. No complicated tools need. The RGB lights add a cool vibe to any workspace. The build quality feels great and it looks so professional. If you are looking for a high quality mic for gaming or podcasting, you should definitely check this one out on Amazon. I really like this smart gear feature that helps prevent sound clipping. It's compact, stylish, and sound great. You can find the link to shop this mic right here in my Amazon storefront. I really love it. I really love it. Thank you for watching.